Install vacuum mixing homogenizer. For example of electric heat vacuum mixing homogenizer. First, please add water for jacket of 3 pot. The water level should be the middle of sight glass. Second, connect the compressed air. The air pressure should be 0.5 to 0.6 MPa. Third, please connect the electric wires according to the voltage. Fourth, to set the parameter, like homogenize speed and time, mix speed and time, jacket heating time, and inside tank temperature. Fifth, turn on mixing of oil and water pot. Sixth, turn on vacuum pump. Seventh, suck the product from oil and water pot to main pot. Eighth, turn on the mix and homogenize after sucking product from oil and water pot. Ninth, after discharge the product outlet, put down the tight connect device, put the sensor position place. 10th, you can turn over the main tank and clean the tank.